Please log in with your credentials. Now we can see the new interface of Kentico Xperience 13. Here are the few new features on Kentico Xperience 13. 1. Marketing automation. On the left-hand side, you can see processes and actions details. Click on the New Process button to create a new automation process, or abandoned cart reminder, or you can send a birthday message, or set up automatic reminders for contacts who have not been active on your site. Marketing automation templates. Kentico Xperience uses the best performance process as templates. Time-based triggers. We can schedule our campaigns for the right time. Embedded email builders. We can build emailers and optimize with A/B testing and can instantly see our campaign analytics. 2. Email marketing. On the left-hand side, you can see email feeds, opt-out list, email templates and email widgets options. Click on New Email Feed button to create a newsletter or email campaign. We can send personalized emails to customers and prospects and build relationships with readers. Kentico Xperience allows us to send 3 types of emails: transactional emails, marketing campaigns, newsletters. We can target different types of segments in each marketing campaign. 3. Personas. On the left-hand side, you can see the Personas and Reports option. Click on New Persona button to add the name, image, and details of them. We can personalize the content by using personas in Kentico Xperience. 4. Scoring. Click on New Score button to add the required details. Scoring is an online marketing feature that evaluates each contact based on their profile information and their activity on the website. 5. Campaigns. On the left-hand side, you can have the option to enter the campaign name, the status of particular campaigns, and sort by option. Click on Create New Campaign button to create campaign properties. Promoting campaigns with social media, PPC, or any other channel? Configure other channels, such as Twitter, separately. Generate desired links by clicking URL Builder in the Campaign Content Inventory section.